In this video, I will tell you how to get rid of fever blister in a week with very affordable home remedy. Whether you call it a fever blister or a cold sore, there is no denying this common condition is painful. A fever blister or cold sore can last from 10 to 14 days. Fever blisters usually occur in groups and cause red, swollen, and sore wounds. They commonly form near the mouth or on the areas of the face, but they may also appear on the tongue and gums. In this video, we will share you the amazing remedy to get rid of fever blister in a week. So let's get started. Things you will need for this remedy. So the first ingredient that you will need for this remedy is milk. Milk contains enzymes and proteins known as immunoglobulins, the little soldier cells your body produces to fight off infections. To prevent outbreaks, drink whole milk. To help cold sores that have already erupted, use a whole milk compress. Add 1 tablespoon of milk in a bowl. The second ingredient which we are using to make this magical mixture is licorice powder. Its antiviral properties help prevent viruses from replicating, while its antibacterial properties inhibit bacterial function. This seems study showed that licorice exhibited antifungal activity. Topical licorice powder can help to treat fever blister. Now add 1 tablespoon of licorice powder to make this mixture. The last ingredient that we will add in this mixture is tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is well known for its antiseptic and antiviral properties. It might encourage the natural healing process by drying out the cold sore, and it may prevent bacterial infection, but it's not clinically proven to heal fever blisters. Tea tree oil is strong, so always dilute it with a carrier oil to avoid skin irritation. Add just a few drops of tea tree oil. Now mix all the ingredients together and make a mixture of it. Apply this mixture daily for a week on blisters. This mixture will help you to get rid of fever blister easily. The result will be surprisingly amazing. Also try these prevention tips along with this remedy. Introduce as many self-care approaches to stress reduction as you can. Take measures to boost your immunity and stay as healthy as possible. Always start treatment at the first sign of an outbreak. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, or also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you want any DIY of your choice, let us know in the comment section. Thank you.